Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everywhere, depending on where you are. So you're welcome to Success FX. On this channel, I'll be mostly talking about forex and how you can scale up as a forex trader, right? So now, if this is your first time coming to this channel or coming across this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also share this video. If you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, anytime I drop any other tutorial or any other updates on forex, i'm going to be um, I'm going to be you'll be the first person that will get to know about it. So now on today's topic, you'll be talking about basics of forex trading, right? Basics of forex trading, part one. This is the part one because we'll be doing different. It will be on different parts, so you guys will understand it much more better, right? So now let's go to the basics of forex trading. Some people doesn't even know the basics. All they do is just like, okay, I want to trade forex, I want to make money for it, from it. When you don't even know what it's all about, you don't even know the basics about the trading. Sometimes they give people money to trade for them. Sometimes they will say, I want to learn forex trading. You need to know what you want to learn before you pay for it or before you learn it, right? So that is it. So this video will be talking about the basics of forex trading, what you need to know, right? What you need to know, because many people did not even really understand how it works, right? They just want to jump into it and trade. So now I'll be teaching us the basics of forex trading. So now, um, the basic knowledge of forex trading. One, what is forex trading? Forex trading, which is forex, right? Which is foreign exchange, also called FX. Foreign exchange, also called FS, is the global marketplace for buying and selling currencies, right? Is the global marketplace for buying and selling currencies. Example, exchanging USD for euro. So when traveling is a simple form of forex. Like exchanging USD for euro when traveling, right? That's a simple form of forex. That is, you are exchanging the currency, the foreign exchange, right? So trading just does this on a larger speculative scale, right? So I believe this you should understand it better. Just like some people, if you are traveling from Nigeria, you are traveling to Ghana. When you get to the border, there's a place you change your naira to cedis, right? If you are traveling to Togo, you change your naira to, you change your currency, so that's currency exchange, foreign exchange. But on forex trading, we do it on a larger and speculative scale. So I believe you guys understand it now. Now, this is the number two, how forex works. Yes, this is how it works. Currency are traded in pairs, e.g., the Euro USD, the GBP JPY. Now, the first currency is the base currency, while the second currency is the quote currency. So, if it is Euro USD, which is 1.1000, it means euro equals to dollar, that is 1.10 cent USD, that is US dollar. I hope you guys are getting it. So the first currency is the base, while the second currency is the quotes. So that is it. So you make money by predicting whether a currency will go up or down against another, right? So that is it for for this number two, which is how forex works. You are predicting whether a currency will go up or against another. So that is it. So the third part, which is the market participants, right? So people that traded the forex market, we have the central banks, which influence exchange rates with policies. We have the commercial banks and institutions which move billions daily, and we have the corporations exchange money for international business, right? So they exchange money for international business. Then we have the retail traders. So that is individual like me and you, because I'm a forex trader. So, and any other forex trader out there, we are the retail trader. So we trade via brokers. So what are brokers? We have the HFM, we have the XNES, we have the OptaFS, we have the FXTM, yeah, many of them like that. So we have them so much like that. We have they are much. We have the Headway, yes. So they are much like that. So that's broker. That is for retail traders like us, which is individuals like me and you, and any other trader out there. We trade via brokers. So now the key trading terms. The key trading terms. So PEEP, the meaning of PEEP. PEEP is the smallest price movement in forex. Are you getting it? Which is 0.0001 for most pairs, right? So now for lots, what do you understand by lots? Lots is lot size is the standard trade size. One lot equals to 100,000 units of base currency. We all know what is base currency, right? Base currency is the first currency. Let's assume we are talking about Euro USD, right? So Euro is the base, while USD is the quote. So now talking about the lot size. Lot size here is the standard. This is the lot size here. Talking about the lot size here. So this place here, sorry, you can check this paragraph too for lot size, right? So these are lot size. These are lot size. So lot size, standard lot size is one lot which equals to 100,000 units of base currency. Smaller lot smaller size, mini lots. Do you understand? Smaller lot is mini lot, which is 10,000, and we have the micro lots, right? We have the standard lot, the standard trade size, the smaller trade size, and the mini lot size, and also the micro lot size. So you can get all the information from the picture you are seeing here. So then we have the leverage. We have the leverage too. Leverage is the borrowed capital to control bigger trade, e.g., one one 100 means $100 can control $10,000, right? Which is high risk. So me, I do tell people to use 0.01 lot size. Do you understand? Because risk management matters a lot. You see, they are telling you when you use, they are also indicating it here. They are indicating it here. You see it here. This, let's say you use this particular leverage, it is high risk. You are seeing it here, it is high risk. So I prefer to use 0.01 lot size. So as time goes on, I will explain much better about lot size to you guys, so you guys will understand. Now we're talking about the spread. What is spread? Spread is difference between buy ask, which is buy, and sell. So buy also means ask, and sell means bid, right? So the difference between buying and selling price, that is what they call spread. Then we have margin. Margin is the money required to open a trade when using leverage. So let's assuming you want to trade, let me say you want to trade Euro USD. So the required money that is needed according to your lot size is what they call margin. You understand? When you are using your lot size or your leverage, so the required money asked is where the margin you have to use. That's what they call the required money you have to use is what they call margin. So, or let me say capital, right? So that's it. Then we're talking about the types of forex markets. We have different type of forex markets. We have the spot market, which is instant buying and selling of currencies, right? We start buying and selling of currency. That is spot market. And we have the forward market, which is private agreement to buy or sell later at a set price. So now this spot market is can also be called a market order or market execution. When you want to buy the market at a particular time at a particular price, do you understand? You want to buy instantly. Then this forward market is when you want to set your buy limit or sell limit or buy stop or sell stop. So which is when you have an agreement, okay, when the price gets to so, you put your entry price. So that is forward market. Then you're talking about a trading styles. Trading style, we have different types of trading styles. Yes, we have the scalping. The scalping, which means quick trades, second to minutes. Yes, scalpers are people that open a trade when they are in profit in a little, like within 1 to 3 minutes. Within 1 to 3 minutes, they will just close. So those are scalpers. So then we have the day trading. The day trading are open and close position within the same day. Those ones, it can take you hours, it can take you minutes, but you close the trade on the same day. Those are day trading. Those are day traders. We have the scalp traders, we have the day traders, and we have the swing traders, which is swing trading that we are seeing here, which is you hold trade for days or week, catching price swing. So you hold trade for days or week. It can be one day, it can be 2 days. Yeah, me too. As a trader, sometimes I hold the trade for 2 days. Yeah, at the time I'm recording this video, today is Friday. I'm recording this video. I hold a particular trade USDCHF, which is for I guess I hold it since Wednesday, and I just closed it today, which is on. It hit my TP today, which is Friday. So it's about 2 days. So that's swing trading, right? So we have the position trading. This one too is a long-term trading. You understand? Long-term trading, months to years, based on fundamentals, right? So that's for position. Then we have the analysis method. The analysis method, we have the fundamental analysis, which is focused on interest rates. Focused on interest rates. It's focused on interest rates, inflation, GDP, news, politics, right? So sometimes as a trader, most times as a trader, not even sometimes, you need to also be checking the news before you place a trade to know if you are to know how to manage your risk whenever you want to trade. That's fundamental analysis. I will be talking about fundamental analysis later. So we have the technical analysis, which we uses charts, patterns, indicators, indicators, which is the RSI, the MACD, the moving average, and all of that. So that is it. And there are different strategies you can use to do your technical analysis, right? We have the trend lines, we have the uh, we have the top-down analysis, we have the liquidity, we have the supply and demand, we have the smart money concepts, all of them like that. So we also have the sentiment analysis. This sentiment analysis gauges market psychology. This particular one is it deals with fear, greed, etc. Right? So when as a trader, you need to also learn what they call trading psychology, which I'm going to be talking about on this particular channel maybe next time. So that's that. Then we have the risk in forex. The risk in forex are what? Are the high volatility. Prices move fast, both profits and losses, right? That is high volatility. So like we have some currency that has high volatility. We have the gold, which is XAUSD. It has high volatility because the price move fast both in profits and loss, right? So we also have some other currencies like that too that move faster. I guess we have the USD ZAR. The USD ZAR too also move faster, just like gold, but gold is the one that move fastest. Then we have the leverage risk, which is amplifies gains but also magnify losses. That is when your lot size is high. We talk about the risk of increasing your lot size through like using high lot size. So if you don't have a good capital, you are increasing your lot size. That's a big risk for you. So it will make you make more profit if you are right with your analysis, and it will also make you make more losses if you are wrong with your analysis. So we also have the market structure, right? The market structure, um, the market structure, which is unpredictable events like wars, elections, or the market risk. I'm talking about market risk. So is talking about the unpredictable event like wars, election, or central bank actions. So this is part of the fundamental analysis I do tell you about. So in case you are, oh no, this is we can say this to be a fundamental analysis because sometimes it really affects your trading. Yes, because you might have predicted with your analysis that, oh, this trade will buy or will sell, but later, based on the fact that unpredictable events like wars. Like I traded gold yesterday, right? But the US, we're having issues. There is an issue with that's why they even postponed the non-farm payroll today, right? Sorry, yesterday, which is Friday. So they postpone it, which make um, which make good because of the issue they have in the US. It made USD to become weak, and which make me lose some amount of money. But I also recovered later with another pairs, which is USD CHF. So that is it. That's another risk that is there. And we also have the broker risk. Yes, we have some brokers that are scams or unregulated brokers. Yes, we have some brokers that are scams or unregulated. That is why I will be recommending a broker you'll be using on the in the comment section and also in the description. I'll be recommending a broker you can use that I've been using the broker for years, and they are good. They are good, and they have been serving humanity for 15 years. For 15 years now. So it's a good broker which I'm going to recommend to us. So now we have the pros of forex. The pros of forex is they're open 24/5, which is not 24/7, right? Like 24 hours in 5 days. So which is Monday to Friday, and the largest is the largest and most liquid market, trillions traded daily. Yes, the forex is the largest market. Yes. So and also the low entry cost. Yes, you can start forex with a low capital, even with your $10, with your $5. You can start even with that low capital. You can start with little currency. You can start with cent accounts. So my students in my private mentorship, they are doing well because of how they are being guided. It's not that you want to start with your little capital, you are using USD account, and you are even using high lot size, and you are not even using risk management. So that can make you lose money, and at the end of the day, you say forex is a scam. So you need to know all this. Then many trading strategies are available. Exactly, it has many trading strategies, which I've mentioned before. I've mentioned different strategy. You cannot not that you use one strategy. No, there are different strategy that you can use. Then we have the cons of forex, which is high risk due to leverage. Yes, I've said that. You also need to manage your leverage by using the minimal lot size, right? It requires discipline and knowledge. Exactly, you need to be disciplined, and you need the knowledge. It's not that you just jump into forex when you don't even have the knowledge of the basics, or you don't even know anything about it. It's just that because of people are telling you that they are making money in forex, and you jump into it. You are doing yourself. You at the end of the day, you call it a scam. So you need to be disciplined and have the knowledge. The knowledge is important. So then another thing is emotional stress, yeah, which is fear and greed. You don't need that. Yes, you don't need, though it will give you, you become afraid whenever you are losing money, right? You become afraid whenever you are losing money on your trade. That is why risk management is matters a lot. Risk management matters a lot. So then talking about the last one, which is potential broker fraud if not careful. Exactly, there are, like I said earlier on, there are some unregulated brokers that are not okay, that are not good. That is why I'll be recommending a good broker for you guys, so you guys can use to start your trading journey. Then how to start a forex trading? It's simple. Number one number one learn the basics. You understand? Learn the basics, which is an analysis. That is, you learn the terms, which I'm telling you guys now. The terms, that is the basics. Learn the terms and analysis and also strategy, right? You learn the terms, analysis, and strategy. These are what you learn in you need to these are what you need to learn when you learn your strategies. You need to learn technical analysis, and you need to also learn the terms and conditions also. Then we have the number two, which says choose a regulated brokers. So these are regulated brokers we're talking about here. We have the FCA, SISEC, NFA regulated, and not like all of that. Like they should be regulated with FCA, SISEC, and NFA. They should be regulated with these firms, right? So and the broker I'm using, they are already regulated with all these people. So you can also do your research about them. So that's number. Then another no, number three says open a demo account, right? Open a demo account. Practice with fake money. Yes, you don't just want to learn forex and you just jump, go and fund your account, and at the end you blow your account. So you need to practice, you need to learn. Do you understand? You need to learn. You need to learn how to manage your emotion, manage your greed, and all of that. Then build yourself. So that's it. That's why I do recommend to all my students to always start with a demo account. Don't be in a rush. Seek the knowledge, then apply wisdom. So that's it. Then number 4, it says develop a trading plan. Yes, you need a trading plan, your risk per trade, and also your strategies. So you need a trading plan. So you know how much you are risking per trade. You know if you reach the stop loss, maybe 2 times you rest or 3 times you rest. Depends on you, but you need a good trading plan to succeed in the journey of forex trading. Then number 5, just start small with real accounts. Go as you gain confidence. So after you have already opened a demo account and you see how good you are becoming, then start with a small account with a small um, portfolio, which is like maybe that $10 or $20. When you start with it, then start building it small and grow your confidence in the market space. Then, in short form, forex trading is buying and selling currencies to profit from exchange rates changes, right? So it is the biggest financial market in the world, but it requires skill, discipline, and risk management. Then we're having trade management rules. So these are trade management rules. If price moves well in your favor, consider moving stop loss to break even or partial close. But do this, but do it the same way every time, right? I'm going to explain this later, what is break even and how to even apply break even and do some partial close, right? So that's that. Then this one too, which is uh, the second paragraph, which says if the setup invalidates before triggering, cancel the order, no revenge trade. So that is if your setup is not going well, like maybe the trade left you before the trade triggers, maybe it didn't go your way. What do you have to do? You cancel the order. Nothing like revenging. Cancel the order. Check other pairs that you can use to recover your loss. That is if you lost already, or that you can use to earn more if you already earn already. So now, what is break even? Break even is break even is break even is when you are in good profits and you want your trade to be risk free. You will need to move your stop loss to your you need to move your entry to your stop loss, right? I made a mistake here. You need to move your entry to your stop loss. So that's that. Then what is SL? SL means stop loss. SL means stop loss. Then TP means take profit. What is entry price? Entry price is the actual price of a currency. So that is the entry price. So I'll be this the other one says join my Telegram channel for free forex signal and chat with me on WhatsApp. Click here. So I'll be um I'll be dropping this PDF, this PDF file. I'll be dropping it in the description. I guess I should drop it in the description, or maybe if you need it, you can just message me in the comment section, or just type it in the comment section that you need the PDF. Then I will direct you, or if you come to my Telegram channel, I will put it there. So this is the basic of forex trading, the basic knowledge of forex trading. So this is the part 1. We'll be going for the part 2 later, maybe tomorrow or next. So make sure you have the basic knowledge before you jump into the world of forex trading. Congratulations in advance. I'll be dropping for those that want to learn the forex core, like you want to learn forex trading from beginner to pro, or you already have a particular strategy you are working with before and it's not working for you, and you want to scale up, you need an advanced training. I will be dropping the link to my course on the description and also in the comment section, so you can see for yourself. And also I'm running a particular discount now, particular bonus now, so you can just use this opportunity to secure your slots. it's a limited slot, so you can use the opportunity to secure your slots and and secure your slots and secure your slots and start learning to become a profitable trader. So thank you everyone. Thanks for staying with me from the beginning to the end. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I drop another video like this, like the part 2 of the basics of forex. Thank you.